In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Disney-style animated story video using purely AI that you can monetize on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels and make lots of money while growing your channel online. Everything which you're going to use in today's video is 100% free and beginner friendly. Plus, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you my secret ChatGPT template I developed in this video that will make your work 1000% faster. Now, if you find value in this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, let's watch the demo video which you're going to be creating today.
In a quiet town where every second was perfectly in sync, a boy tried to stop time just to spend one more moment with his father. Eli lived with his father, the town's clockmaker, a man who could fix any clock except the one that mattered most, time itself.
Alright, in order to get started, you just need to head over to ChatGPT. And once you're on ChatGPT, now look in the description box below for this particular video on YouTube. You're going to find the link to go over to this Google Doc I've prepared for you here. Now, once you're on this Google Doc, you just need to copy this prompt here. Now, once you copy it, you go back to ChatGPT and you paste it here. The reason why we're pasting this here is we want to tell ChatGPT to give us video ideas for our animated story video. That's the Disney-style animated story video. Now, when you paste this here, if you want more video ideas, you can increase this number by typing any number you want here. So if you want 20, you can change it from 5 to 20. Then ChatGPT is going to generate 20 video ideas for you. But in our case, we just want to stick with 5 here. Now, once you do this, you just need to click on this button here. Now, ChatGPT will start generating the content, which is the video ideas for us. Now, ChatGPT has finished generating the content ideas for us. What you have to do next is to pick a story you want to go with. Now, let's say we're going with this first one here. So, to go with this first one here, you need to go back to the Google Doc, which I've given you. Then you come to this place here and you copy this prompt here, or you can just copy from, you just copy from here. Just copy everything here. Now, you copy this. Now, you come back to ChatGPT here and you paste it here. Now, once you paste it here, the next step now is you copy the title of one of the video ideas which ChatGPT gave you earlier. So you just copy it here. Then you go back to this item you pasted here. Then here where you see this space here, video title here, where you see video title, you just replace this text here, which is the title of the video which you want ChatGPT to generate the content for you. So this particular prompt which you're pasting here now, you're trying to tell ChatGPT to give us the complete blueprint for this particular video idea here. Now, you can see everything here. It's going to give us the scenes here. It's going to give us the voiceover script, the text to image, the image to video animation prompt, every single thing. And it's also going to give us the prompt for our YouTube thumbnail when uploading this video on YouTube. So once you do this now, you just need to click on this icon here. Now, ChatGPT is going to start creating the complete blueprint for that particular video for us. Now, once ChatGPT has finished generating the complete blueprint for our video for us, what you just need to do next is, where you have voiceover script, you just need to go over to this place and start copying the voiceover because we need the voiceover to be able to generate, the speech for our video. Now, you just copy all this here. So to do this more efficiently, I recommend you just go to Google Doc here and just create a new file. So you just click on this place to create a new document here. Now, once you do this, you just go over to ChatGPT, then you copy this script here. So I'll move this to this place here. Then I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on enter. And what I'll just go ahead to do is I'm just going to copy just the voiceovers. So I'm just going to copy all the voiceovers and add it to this place here. Okay. Now, I finished copying all the voiceover for the scenes. As you can see here, this is scene 6 here. So I just finished copying the voiceover down to the Google Doc here. Now, I finished copying all the voiceover for the scenes. As you can see here, this is scene 6 here. So I finished copying the voiceover down to our Google Doc here. Now, what you need to do next is to copy everything. Then go over to Google AI Studio. So just go to Google AI Studio. You can type it on Google. Then you find the link and it will take you to this site. Or you check in the description below. It will take you to this particular page here. Now, once you're on this page here, you come to this page where it says Generate Media. You click on this here. Then it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you just need to click on this one which says Gemini Speech Generation. So just click on this one here. Now, once you're here, you just need to click on Single Speaker Audio here. Now, you do this. Then you can come to this place and select the voice you want. So in our case, let's say, for example, I'm going to pick this guy. Okay. Now, you can, to listen to the voice, you can just click on any of these here to listen to the voice, and anyone that you like the sound, you can just pick them. Now, here, I'm just going to paste the script here. Now, once you paste the script here, now for the tone, you can either adjust this or you can leave it as it is. In my case here, I'll just adjust it and just add the storytelling here. Now, once you do this, you can then click on this button which says run. So it will start generating our voiceover for us. Now, while our voiceover is still being generated, the next thing which you need to do is we need to start generating the images that we're going to use for our scenes. Now, to do that, what we need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, once you're on ChatGPT, what we need to do is, depending on how ChatGPT generated your script for your particular video, because for everybody it might be different. So what you need to do, very important, you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you find this place where it says Global Visual Style Prompt here. You copy this here because it's very important. Because the reason for copying this is we want to keep the style of the images. Let it be consistent across our scenes. Let it not be, for example, you generate one like scene 1 is different from scene 2, scene 3, like that. So we want everything to be consistent, even the characters. So we're going to copy this here. Remember, you scroll down, find this section here in your own prompt. Then you copy it. Then you go over to this website called ImageFX. It's made by Google. Now you paste it here. Once you paste it here, you just click on space here. Then you come back here to ChatGPT. Then you scroll up. You go to the first scene. So once you're in the first scene here, you can see here it says text to image prompt. Now you copy this one here. So this one here you're seeing here, this is the particular image, like the scene for example, the scene 1. So you copy it because this first one we typed in here, this is just like the global to keep everything consistent. Why this one here you're seeing here? This is the individual scene itself. So we're going to copy this one here. Then we're going to paste it here. Now, once you paste this here, you see this place where you see seed here. Just click on this padlock here to lock it, because we want our characters to stay consistent across everything that this image effect is going to generate for us. So you just click on this button here. Just click on it to lock it here. Now you leave the aspect ratio to be this. You leave the quality to be best quality. Now once you do it, then you click on create button. So this image effect will start generating the image for our scene 1. Now what you can do next is to start generating the other scenes. So I'll just pause this video and generate the other scenes for scene 1 to 6. Now here, this is scene 1. You can see how beautiful the image is. So it generated like 4. Now what you just need to do is you just need to look at it and then pick any one you want, the one that like fits your prompt very well. So you can read through the prompt and just pick any one. Let's say, for example, I'm going to just pick this one here. Let's say I'm picking this one here. So I'll just click on the download button here. Then I'll just come to this place here. Then I'll save it here. So you can just save it anywhere on your PC. So yeah, let's see. Now I'll save it there. Then I'll just go ahead and do for the remaining scenes. So now this image effects has finished generating the images for our scenes. So this is the 6th scene here. So I'm just going to just click on this place here. For example, just click here. Then I'll click on save. So that's the 6th scene there. Okay, so when we come back to Google AI Studio here for our voiceover, we just, once the software or the platform finish generating your voiceover, what you just have to do is just click on the download button here so that you can download your voiceover. And I'm just going to just download this, okay? So this is the voiceover. Now, so far, we've generated the script, we've generated the voiceover, and also we've generated the images for our scene. Now, the next step, in order for you to create this Disney-style animated video, is for you to animate the images which we just generated. Now, and to animate the images, I'm also going to show you a free tool or free platform that you can use to generate your videos. It's actually free, at least for now. But one thing you should note is that the quality right now is not that, perfect. But if you have some money, maybe you can go with any other platform that generates, image to video. For example, Kling AI or Pixar or the rest of them. So you can go with, but in our case here, we're just going to stick with free. So you can use this platform, which you're going to use today to make the animations for our images which you just generated. To do that, you just need to go to this platform called Grok. So Grok is also an AI platform, just like ChatGPT. So you just go to grok.com. If you don't have an account, you sign up. If you have an account, you sign in. Now, once you're here, you just need to look at this side here and you click on this one which says Imagine. So just click on it. Now it will take you to this place. Once you take you to this place, what you need to do is you need to start uploading those images which we just generated now. Now, to upload the image, you just have to just click on this place here. Then click on Upload File. Now, once you click on Upload File, so let me find the image which you just generated now. So, okay, so this one is the same one here. So I'll just click on this one here. Then I'll click on Open. Okay, so once I do that, it's going to attach it here. Then when we go back to ChatGPT here, now if you look at after text to image here, text to image prompt, you're going to see this one which says image to video animation prompt. You can see this, so it's kind of telling you or giving you the prompt that you're going to give to this AI in order to best animate those videos to suit our script. Okay. Now, so what we need to do is we need to go back to scene 1 here. So like I said, once I do scene 1, you can just, I don't want this video to be very long. So you can just look at how I do scene 1 and then replicate it for other scenes. Now, I'm just going to, under here, you can see image to video animation prompt here. Then I'm just going to copy this here. Once I copy this, then I'll go to the grok here. Now, once I go to grok, you can see it has already animated for us. But you can also, you can click on this space here, or I can just type this space here. Okay. Then I can click on this here. So it's going to start doing it. If you like this one here, you can just download it by clicking on this space here. Sorry, here, you can just click on this space to download it. But we just added an animation here, the prompt from ChatGPT. So let's just see how it's going to work out. Now, as you can see here, it is now different. You can see it's kind of zooming. If you look at this space here, it says animate camera slowly panning through the show's clock. You can see here. So this is just exactly what it is doing. So you see the difference now. Now you can just click on this download button here. So like I said, you can just go ahead to replicate this same step for all the other scenes. To do that, you just need to click on this space. Let me just download this one first. You can click on this space here, or you just come back to this space and just click on imagine here. So once you click on the imagine, it will take you to this page here. Once you're on this page, you can just click on this space again. Like I said, upload this scene 2. So let me just do scene 2 quickly. So you click on this space. Now you come back to ChatGPT here. You go to scene 2 for the animation here. You copy this. You go back to grok here. So automatically to start doing it. So we can just paste this here and just click on this here. So let's use what we just pasted here. Instead of doing it by itself, let us use exactly what we give it. So if we look at the scene 2 here, you can see father and son working together. You can see they're actually working together. So you see, it's very like, fits our seed. So we'll just click on this space here to download this one. So like I said, just go ahead to just do the remaining scenes. So I'll pause this video and do the remaining scenes. This is the last scene here. So all I have to do is to just click on the download here to download this last scene here. So I'll just click on save. Also, so far, if you found value in this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my next video. Now, the next step is for we to start editing this video together so that we can piece everything together to form one single video for our entire story. The software which you're going to be using today is 𝗢𝗂𝗿. So if you don't have 𝗢𝗂𝗿, you can go to 𝗢𝗂𝗿.com and download the 𝗢𝗂𝗿 application on your PC or your phone. Or you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to download it on your phone. Now, once you have the app, you just open it and click on New Project here. Once this page shows up, what we have to do is to start importing all the assets we created so far. Assets like our voiceover and our videos, which we just generated just now. So I'll just click on this import here. Then it will take me to this page. So I'll just go back and just navigate. Okay, so once I'm here, I'll just have to just click on from here down to this page because this is the entire asset for this particular video. So once you've imported everything now, what you want to do next is you want to listen to the voiceover. And once you're listening to the voiceover, you then arrange the videos to suit the voiceover. Now, in order to do this very well, you can also go back. You can also go back to your script here. So this is the script, I guess. Okay, so this is the script here. So you can see, you can read everything here and then see where the first scene ended. So you can see his father. That is where it ended. So the video which you just created from Procreate and you imported into 𝗢𝗂𝗿, that is where it is going to end. So let me just go back to 𝗢𝗂𝗿 now. Once I'm on 𝗢𝗂𝗿, what I just have to do is to just select all this here. Then I'll uncheck this magnet here, this place. I'll just uncheck it. Then I'll move this up here. Okay. So once I move that up here, then I'm going to listen to the voiceover. So I guess let me just listen from this end here. So this scene 1 now ended here. This is where scene 1 ended. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to see if I can duplicate this. So I'll just copy and then let me paste. Then I'll move this here. Okay. So let me just watch how it is. So I'll paste this here. Then I'll just click on this magnet here. Okay, so it's magneted down to this place here. So the next thing I need to do is just watch it again. Let me just watch and see how this scene is. Okay. So this is it there. This one is okay. So I can then go to this one here. I can just highlight this here. Then I'll move it down again. Once I move it here, then I'm going to bring down scene 2 straight from this place here. So I'm just going to put it here. So I can extend it there. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to duplicate it too. Then I'm going to put it here. So I think scene 2 ended here. So let me just see. Okay, so it ended around this place here, because you can see the audio waveform here. You can see this gap here. It means there's nothing, like he's not speaking there, which is our voiceover. So here I'll just see if I can duplicate this again. Just paste it here. So I'll just reduce down to this place. Then I'll do the same thing. So you can just go ahead and just do the same thing for the scene 3. So I'll duplicate scene 3. So I'll just drag this one into this place here. Okay. So this is scene 5. The voiceover, I made a mistake when generating the voiceover. So I forgot to add the line for the scene 6, the voiceover line for the scene 6. So the thing ended at, my own here ended at scene 5. So that's why I'll not be using scene 6 in this particular video. But just go ahead, don't make the mistake I made. Just make sure you're careful. You add all the voiceover lines there. So when your Google AI speech generation, this is generating the speech for you, it's going to generate every single thing for you. Okay, so you get the point now. So I'll just go back to the starting point here. I've added all the scenes here. That's the video scenes here. Now the next step now is for we to generate what we call adjustment. Let's just add an adjustment layer. So you just come to this place where it says adjustment, then drag in this adjustment layer here. Then click on it. Then you drag it right to the end. So let me drag it to the end here. So I'll just drag it down to this spot here. Okay, so once I drag it to this spot here, then I'm just going to go down here where we see this settings here. Then I'm just going to change this figure here to 5 here. So it has some kind of shadow, the edges of this stuff here. Okay, so once we do that, then the next step for us is to add caption. So to add caption, we just click on this place here. Then we come to this place, we click on generate. So it will start generating the caption for us. Just like I said, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so it will help my channel grow on YouTube. Okay, so we've added the captions here. So I'll just come to this place here and click on templates here. Now, once I click on templates, then I'm going to find a template I like. You can just go ahead, try every one of them if you want, but I think there's a particular one I like. Yes. So this is the one I like. So you can just try yours. If you find the one you like, fine. So I'll just go to this place here. So yeah, I'll just, let's see, let me put it at 60. So 60 is okay. So this is all good here. Then let's say transition. Let's go to transition here. So you can just find the transition you like here. Okay, so you just have to just go to camera here. When you go to camera, you can see this stuff here. So I'll just drag it, this one, into the middle of this space here. So when I play it, see what will happen. You can see. So this is just how to add those viral transition here. So I don't know, and think around here. Add it here. Then I'll just go ahead and just add it here too. So added our transition here. Now, once you're done with everything about the video, you can even make your own video. Let's say 1 minute short or 2 minutes, or but however long you want it to be, maybe 10 minutes long. You can also make that. All you just have to do is just tell ChatGPT to make your script a little bit longer and add more scenes there. So it will include those, other scenes, and so to make your video a little bit longer. Now, once you're done with all this and you're happy with your video, what you just have to do is just come to this place and click on export here. Now, once you click on export, if you're using any pro feature, for example, the transition here. So if you're using, you can see you can use it for free for the first 9 videos you're making. Sorry, it's 10 because I've actually used one before. So it's showing me 9 here. But if you just want to use it free for as long as you want, what you just have to do is just go back to edit here and then remove this transition here. Then look for a free transition. Maybe you can just use fade. So that is just how to just do that. Now we just go to this export here. Then I'll just click try for free here. So it will take me to this space here. Then you just name your file. You can give it any name. You can give it the title of the video. Now, once you do that, it's select video. Then you come here and just click on export. So that is just how to export the video. Now, if you've gotten value so far in this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, if you have a topic you want me to cover, don't forget to type it in the description box below. I'll take my time to look at it and create a video on it. So if you have any question also, don't forget to write it in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video.
In a quiet town where every second was perfectly in sync, a boy tried to stop time just to spend one more moment with his father. Eli lived with his father, the town's clockmaker, a man who could fix any clock except the one that mattered most, time itself. When his father fell ill, Eli tried to fix the town's great clock, believing that if he could make it run backward, maybe time would too. But when time stopped, he saw the truth. Moments aren't meant to be trapped. They live because they end. Eli let the gears turn once more, letting go of yesterday and learning that love never runs out of time.